So I'm out here today at Traffic and Conversion Summit in San Diego, right back there at the Marriott in the harbor here in downtown. And wanted to share something cool for this In the Know episode of Tool Time and just talk about how the future of search is really changing. 28% of search was done on via voice last year, and that by 2020 it's going to be closer to 50% of all search done via voice. So that's the Alexas, the Googles, the Siris, things like that. What they've been finding is that when people search via voice, they actually they add a lot more words. So the searches have gotten a little bit longer and they're a lot more question based. So what do you do about that? One of the best tools that I've found that can assist in that is it's a little software called answerthepublic.com. Well, what's really cool about it is you just enter in your key phrase, for example, real estate or something like that, and it'll spit out a list of all sorts of different questions, the most common questions that are asked by people and the most common search phrases. And they're all long tail. They're, anywhere from 3 to 8 to 10 words. And by now starting to optimize your content around those questions, that's going to boost you in the rankings around those longer tail searches that people are doing via voice. So if you want to stay ahead of the game in marketing in the next couple of years, make sure you're tailoring your content towards voice. And you can do that by going to answerthepublic.com, entering any key phrase that you're trying to create content around, and basically just going in there and looking through all the questions, picking the ones that you think are the most interesting or would be the most helpful, and start answering those questions. And you can just do it one by one. When you type in the keyword, there's probably 50 to 100 questions that come up for every key phrase that you put in. And it's just a great way to stay on top of your marketing, to be able to answer more questions, add more value, and ultimately the more value that you're adding, the more interesting your content is, and the more tailored to the voice searches that your content starts to become. You're just going to move up the rankings, and you're going to see a lot more juice and a lot more love from the Googles of the world. And at the end of the day, that's good for business. So one more time, answerthepublic.com. Really awesome tool. Really like it a lot. Hope you find it helpful. Give me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. If you have anything else to add, go ahead and put it down below, and we'll look forward to catching you on the next one.